Welcome back to the channel. So Temu has been out for quite a long time now. I've been thinking to order some stuff from there, so I thought might as well review it with you guys. So let's jump on our computer and let's get on it. So we're on the home page now. Catchy things up here that I see already. But let's categorize these things. And so first off, let's start off with some accessories for the room. So let's go ahead and search room accessories. Alright, so first thing I see here right off the bat is these hooks. I definitely need them behind my door, and let's go ahead and, while we see them, the black ones, because we like the color black, and then add to cart. Alright, 70% off. What I really need is a rug for my room. Alright, so let's search for some rugs. We really need one for the room. Okay, these are very fancy looking. Oh, a lot of, hold on. I know all of these rugs are very fancy and they look nice, but obviously it's Temu and we gotta try some unique stuff, right? So here's the Family Guy rug. I think this will look funny. This will look different in the room. So let's go ahead and add this to the cart. We need a size. All right, let's do the bigger one, 80 to 120 centimeters. Add to cart. All right, there you go. There you go, our rug. All right, next thing is I really need something that holds my controller, because they've been lying around. PlayStation 5 controller. See a bunch of nice ones here. We really need something that really catches the eye, and it's an instant, like, you know, definitely ordering this one. Get to the color black. All right, good. We got that in the cart successfully as well. All right, so a unique category that we're gonna look up because we're on Temu. So it's gonna be a body scrubbing set. That is something I need. Don't judge me, but let's go ahead. So we're gonna do body scrubbing set, cleaning brush, one short bath brush, one hair washing brush, and one facial brush. Everything for this price. Definitely gonna add it to the cart. Next up, I work long hours in the office. I'm always sitting on chairs like this, working on desks like this. So I really need to fix my posture, you know, those belts that really, so I think let's give it a try from Temu, and let's go ahead and see. So posture fixing belt. Nothing too complicated. Let's just go ahead and select this first one. We're going to select the size large. Add to cart. Alright, while we're ordering stuff from Temu, obviously we cannot skip the little one I have in the house. So let's go ahead and order something for him. Toys for kids. You see a whole bunch of toys. Because my little one, he's 1 year old at the moment, we can't get something that's very, you know, hard for him or plasticky. We need to go something rubbery and soft. Let's filter out the search even more. Why don't we go ahead and select this one? Looks decent. Select the color black. Add to cart. There you go. Just like he loves remotes, he loves to play with mobile phones as well. But obviously he's too young for that. Can't give him that at the moment. A mobile phone for kids. So I came up with an idea of a rubber iPhone for kids, because that's the one he runs after, and I think this one looks pretty rubbery. So let's go ahead, select this one, add to cart, and there you go. All right, next up, I play a lot of football, and the big problem I have, and something that I cannot find here in Pakistan, is the gripper socks. So let's go ahead and look for some gripper socks here. Gripper socks. Alright, yes, they've got a whole bunch of options here. We need something which has the grip on the bottom of the feet. So let's go ahead and look for some socks in black. I think these ones look pretty decent because I don't like the socks too high up. I like them to stay up to your ankle. So let's select the black ones, and let's go ahead and add this to cart. Alright, so next up is gym. Now obviously I do go to the gym and I've got all the equipment that I need there, but something I neglect more often than not is the forearms. So I've been thinking for a long time to get one of those clenchers for the forearms. So let's see what Temu has. Forearm trainer. Okay, multiple options came up. Let's go ahead and check out the first one. Adjustable resistance grip strengthener, 11 to 132 pounds. Maybe we can look for a different option. Oh, the one right next to it. So we've got one piece adjustable resistance forearm strengthener, 11 to 132 pounds, just like the last one. But additionally, what I see in this one is that it has something that can count your reps. Decent enough. Let's go ahead and add this to cart. Alright, finally, I love action figures. So let's start off with some Last of Us action figures, because obviously the game was pretty amazing. right now it has a new season as well, and it's pretty much on the hype. So let's go ahead and look for some Last of Us action figures. Oh boy, this is where I go crazy. Okay, so right off the bat, I see Joel and Ellie. I think let's go ahead and select the more expensive one because we need the better quality one. Obviously, it looks decent in the pictures. This is how it's gonna look. It's adjustable as well. Oh, the box is pretty nice. Okay, definitely. While I was on this page, I saw some other figures I'm really interested in as well. Just like Nathan Drake, Uncharted before Last of Us was a really good game as well. I mean, the face does look a little off, but let's go ahead and check it out. Happy Card. Okay, another thing I saw was on the PlayStation 2, remember Resident Evil 4 was one of the biggest games ever. There he is, Leon. It's not really an action figure. It looks more like a bobblehead. It's different. Let's go ahead and add it to cart. All right, another game that is really popular is God of War. So let's look for Kratos action figure. We did manage to find this one. I guess this is the only one I could find so far. So let's go ahead and we get options with it as well. With flaming blades, with Medusa's head, armor mouth open. I'd say we go with the flaming blades. And then let's go ahead and add to cart. Another movie character that I really love is Venom. So let's go ahead and look for a Venom action figure. This Venom looks really ugly, but this one is really beefy and the kind that I want. Okay, let's go ahead and add to cart. But now that, because we got Venom, so we need something related to Spider-Man as well. But Spider-Man is very, I think in my opinion, typical. So let's see Miles Morales, because we just played the game as well and it was really good. Miles Morales. Okay, I think we just found the perfect one. Looks pretty good. I mean, dimensions are good. Does a lot of things. Oh, we don't want Spider-Man. Let's go ahead and add the cart. Okay, so while I was surfing around, I was gonna end my search and just go ahead and place the order. But while I was going around, I just saw this Plants vs Zombies, a very popular game from our childhood, and I just couldn't resist. Go ahead and add this to cart. Before moving forward to any other search, we just quickly gotta place the order now because I'm gonna go crazy and I'm gonna keep ordering things. Let's go to checkout, Google sign in. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. That's our total. Let's go ahead and submit order. All right, so the order has been placed and I think it's gonna take some time for these things to arrive. So finally, all the Temu products have arrived and I'm so excited to share their review with you guys. And wait till the end of the video for some prize products that you did not see me order. So let's jump in. I'd like to add that these products took about 2 to 3 weeks. Some came in 2 weeks, some came in at 3, but finally all products are here. So this is the first product that we're reviewing. It's the mat, the Peter Griffin one that we ordered. You can see me lying down right next to it, and this is the size of the mat. It's pretty good quality, pretty good printing. I definitely recommend this product to someone who is a Family Guy fan. Let's jump on to the next one. So the next product is the hooks that we stick to the back of the door, and this is what I've already put it on my door. So I've got 3 shirts here. I think 3 shirts is a very good amount to put and test these hooks, the durability of them. And mind one thing, these shirts are very, very heavy. They're not lightweight shirts. So let's go ahead and put these on. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If it's holding it for that long, it's gonna hold it forever. So definitely recommend these. The next thing is this belt, the posture correction belt. Now it's really holding my shoulders up tight to the back. It's not letting me, lean forward, lean into it. So I think I recommend this product. And let's sit down here. Let's try to do some work. And I think it can keep me straight for a long time. Definitely recommend it. So the next product that we're going to review is the brand new iPhone that we got for our little one from Temu. Definitely a Temu iPhone. And then another TV remote, same. Alright, so both are made of rubber, premium quality, very good build. Now we just got to test how the baby reacts to these. This next product really does solve our forearm problem. You can set the weight from here, like the resistance. And then, you can train your forearms. And then you've got your rep counter right here. How many reps you've done. It's the other way around, so, all right. It's your rep counter. You can reset this from somewhere here as well. There you go. You can reset the rep counter as well. So if you're looking to train your forearms, definitely recommend. So the next thing we're going to review is this grip socks that we ordered from Temu, specifically to play football. I've actually played football in these and they're pretty amazing. I mean, the amount of difference you feel without them and then playing with them, I don't think I can ever go back playing without them now. So definitely recommend this one. Finally, let's come back to the thing that I was most excited about, is this action figures that has actually light up my room and my stand is complete. So first off, let's start off with the Uncharted Nathan Drake. As you can see in the pictures in Temu, it did not look that appealing and the face looked a little off. But when I actually got it, it's pretty decent. And right away, if you're an Uncharted fan, you can tell this is Nathan Drake, quality is good. Next up, let's move towards Joel and Ellie. I mean, Joel's face does look a little off in this action figure, but you know, if you're looking at it from a distance, then you can definitely tell it's Joel. I love it. I love Ellie. They've made it very good. Next up we have is Kratos. I ordered this with the flames. You can see these flames are built amazing. And then you've got the chains of Sparta. And I mean, this Kratos is a little skinny, but again, it looks good. I'm satisfied. Let's move on to Miles Morales. In this one, I think the legs are a little long than they should be, but again, they made it good. It looks Miles Morales. Then right away, let's move on to Venom. This by far is, I think, the best one that I've ordered from Temu. And Venom just looks amazing. I mean, the attention to detail is phenomenal. Venom has to be the #1 product that I've ordered from Temu in action figures. Then moving on, we've got Leon. Obviously, this was supposed to be like sort of a bobblehead. It's okay, it's decent. And then we've obviously got this cute Plants vs. Zombies plant, the pea shooter, I believe. So that's pretty decent as well. And finally, obviously, like I told you, this Game of Thrones Iron Throne controller holder is amazing. It's you know, the perfect thing that I was looking to put my controller on. It's got it. Very nice. So overall experience in the action figures, I'm very satisfied, and I'm definitely going to be ordering much more action figures from Temu. Definitely recommend all of them. Alright, finally let's move on to the surprise products that I ordered but did not share them with you guys. Is this nameplate of The Office. I mean, this show has been one of my favorite shows. I love the character Michael Scott, and I think when I saw this, I really had to get it. It was very tempting. The next surprise product is this wireless charger for your phone and your AirPods. You can pop in your phone here. It has a pretty strong grip, and then you can put your AirPods here. I mean, it's not one of the best chargers, not one of the fastest chargers. It's a basic charger, but in terms of interior design, it looks pretty on your desk and, you know, does the job sooner or later. And the final surprise product that we have is this all-in-one cleaning kit. I mean, to get into the biggest and the smallest places, we've got this big brush, and then once you open it up from here, and then you've got all sorts of bits here, you know, extenders, and then, you know, if you want to pop air somewhere, so you can, you know, for the air. And then you've got your cleaning spray right here. You've got bits and brushes, different kinds. Let's check this one for say, and then you can check this one for say. So to get into the smallest or the biggest places, your laptops, your mobile phones, or anything else. And then you can open this lid up from here. This is for your keyboard to pop the keys out, your SIM ejector tool, all sorts of things here. Very handy, I definitely recommend. So that was all for today's video. Those were all the products that we ordered from Temu. The first experience was a good experience. We'll definitely be ordering more products and reviewing them for you. If you have any specific items you want me to order from Temu and review it for you, please do not hesitate to mention them down below in the comments. Do subscribe to the channel, like the video. This was RoseTube, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.